Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure WordPress for SEO optimization, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar. Click on permalinks to set up URL structures. Select post name for SEO friendly URLs. Save your changes to ensure the new settings are applied. Next, install an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math. Go to the Plugins section and click on Add New. Search for your chosen SEO plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, activate the plugin. Now, visit the plugin settings under the SEO menu. Configure the general settings to optimize your site's metadata. Ensure the title and meta description settings are filled out for your homepage. Proceed to optimize individual posts by writing compelling titles and descriptions. In every post, focus on including relevant keywords naturally within the content. Use headings strategically to structure your posts for better readability. Add internal links to other relevant content on your site. Next, optimize images by adding alt text with relevant keywords. Utilize the media section to edit existing images or upload new ones. Check your site's loading speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. To enhance speed, consider installing a caching plugin. Review your site's mobile friendliness using the mobile usability test. Ensure your theme is responsive and optimized for all device sizes. Create an XML sitemap through your SEO plugin settings. Submit your sitemap to search engines via Google Search Console. Lastly, keep your content updated and relevant for ongoing SEO benefits. Regularly monitor your site's performance using analytics tools. Adjust your SEO strategies based on performance data and trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.